Hello everyone, today we'll be making Matar Paneer. For that, we take a non-stick pan and pour 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add the roughly chopped onion. I've taken 1 medium-sized onion. Take a rough paste of ginger and garlic, about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. I've also added the roughly chopped tomatoes and 2 chillies. Fry them in the oil until the tomato softens. I've added salt as per taste so that the tomatoes get softer easily. Mix it well. Cover it with a lid and cook it for some time. When the tomatoes soften, transfer the onion, ginger, garlic and tomatoes into a mixer and make a puree out of it. Now in the same pan, I've taken again 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and added about 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds or cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start popping, we then add the puree onto the hot oil. Now we do that in a high flame. Now I add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Shahi Paneer masala and about half a teaspoon of turmeric. We keep on stirring it in high flame till the entire puree reduces into half. Now when we see the puree reduced, we add in the paneer and the green peas. Let the masala coat the paneer and the peas, and now I've added about 1 cup of hot water. This is for the gravy. Mix it up well again and let it cook for some time. Cover it with the lid so that it gets cooked faster. So in the end, it should look something like this. Your Matar Paneer is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.